What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Seas of Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. And today we're doing tires, but we're not doing them the way that y'all would think. We got to do all these tires, but we're doing it on the machine. And we're gonna get into it right after the intro. So I'm at the shop. My shop's on the other side. This is actually the gentlemen who own the facility. Y'all can probably tell I got quite a few tires to do. And I always like to put my tires, this is just a used set that's going on my new work truck. I like to put the date on the outside so I remember what year it came in. Where are we at? Make sure you lube that thing up good. Right down the bead. On and voila. And that's pretty much it. Running a tire machine pretty easy. Whole lot easier than I'll try to get a better place for this thing. But it's a whole lot easier than doing it by I don't know where I'm gonna put this thing at. And I don't want to break another one. But either way, let me just hold it. Going here, on that bead. We're gonna move this up, off a little bit. This is a Coach, what's it, 90110? Yeah. Try to get that bead to seat. You can see, you just give it a little bit. Now watch that bead right there. It's coming up slowly. Boom, shakalaka. And that's it, man. It's a lot more work, but you know, if you're getting like 20 bucks a tire, not so bad. Watching our tire pressure here. We're gonna do about 25. Or actually, I'm sorry, about 32 pounds. There you go, just got the last bead. I don't know, $20, $25 a tire. Less than, how long it take me to do this? I don't know, 30 minutes. You do 4 tires, 100 bucks an hour. Not so bad, man, not so bad. I'm trying to buy this machine from him actually. He won't sell it to me yet. Because I got some big things in store. But just real quick, man, doing a tire. And like I said, I got about, I don't know, 10 to go, 9 to go, something like that. That was gonna be easy because it's already off the rim. But yeah, whew, feels so much better out here. You get some wind. Like, share, subscribe. There's my shop right over there, by the way. My Subi, my Ford, and my Caddy that's still waiting for a transmission. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. I gotta get back to work. Till next time, mi gente, beat. Pro Mundo beneficio. Siempre. Peace.